Alright, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm going to do a Shou-Sugi-Ban finish, or Shou-Sugi-Ban finish on this new beehive I got today. Sort of kind of put some urethane on it when it's done. So, I got my torch. I'm going to do some burning. How easy it is to do a Shou-Sugi-Ban finish. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and show you guys the finished product when I'm done. Okay, that is the finished product. Well, halfway finished. I haven't put no urethane on it yet, but that'll be the next step. That's Shou-Sugi-Ban. Now, some people say you can burn the inside of your hive too. I didn't on this occasion, but I have on some of my swarm traps, and so far it's worked out pretty good. But I hope you like it. Quick and easy if you've got a torch. And don't drop the phone. But there it is. Shou-Sugi-Ban. Have a good day.